Yes, sir.
Please explain all these things.
Sir, this is my name, Vidade Shubham Rajendra. In the Maharashtra, we write so. For Vidade Shubham Rajendra. Vidade is my surname. Shubham is my name, and Rajendra is my father's name, sir.
Yes. It is something similar to the South Indian tradition or something different in Maharashtra.
Sir, in the Maharashtra, we write all the three names. But as per I heard of South Indians, so they write their titles and initials only. But in the Maharashtra, we write the three, matlab, I mean, surname, my name, and father's name, all three.
In South India, they also write the name of their village and something like this.
Sir,
So you love this long name or not?
yes, sir. I love this name.
So what you will be prefer to be called first? Vidale, Shubham or Rajendra?
No, sir. I mean, the complete name I would like to, the whole name I would
Okay,
like to
if I
say.
want to call you by one name, what
Yes,
name you would prefer to be?
Shubham, sir.
Shubham.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Shubham, just introduce yourself,
Yes, sir. Sir,
which is not written here, obviously, that I can see. Tell me something interesting about you.
uh, sir, as I'm a joyful person who loves to spend time with the friends. Also, I am very career oriented person. I like the career orientation is not only for my happiness, but I always keep my family. I want to keep my family to be happy and who will proud myself to me. I mean, so I would work in that way, and also I would like to enjoy the moments of the life. So that is.
How you enjoy the moments of life?
So spending time with friends, making my family proud, and also, I mean, doing things.
So what things so far you have done to make your family proud?
Sir, I'm preparing for this examination so that they can feel proud in the society, the respect they will get. Also, it also has the interest of my for my career also. So on the basis of that,
Is it the only way to get name in the society by getting a government job?
no, it is not the only way, sir. Being first of all, what I think is being a good human being is the very important thing to get a name in the society, no matter what service or what thing you have achieved in your life. So that's what I think, sir.
What your parents do?
Sir, my father is in the police service and my mother is a homemaker.
Good, homemaker. So police service where? In Mumbai or where?
No, sir, in the state police in the Amravati district only, sir.
Okay. So he may be the reason you are motivated for such type of job.
He is one of the motivations, sir, because since childhood, as my father is in police service, so since childhood I am very much fascinated toward a uniform service. So he is one of the reason towards the uniform service, sir.
Shubham,
Yes, sir.
your hobby is dancing.
Yes, sir.
Which type dancing?
So Bollywood kind of dancing, I prefer, sir.
Do you think quantum computing is necessary for India?
Sir, as we see in the today's world, where the technology is playing such an important role, where the world is moving towards the industrial revolution 4.0, every country is trying to get, to increase the efficiency of everything. So we are moving towards the such a computerized world. So quantum computing will play a very important role in the today's world to make our nation more productive in term of every sense, in term of security, be it a security, be it term of increasing, not infrastructure, but a service sector, manufacturing sector. So technology will definitely play an important role, sir.
You told about Industrial Revolution 4.0.
Yes, sir.
What is this?
Sir, Industrial Revolution 4.0 is the revolution in technology, in the technological sector, where we are integrating biological, physical, as well as technology in an assimilated manner. So it is a comprehensive revolution in terms of technology, sir.
What is the difference between cloud computing and quantum computer?
So cloud computing is a technology where the data is integratedly stored in in a uh, in a cloud. I mean, at a specific point where the data is stored in the cloud computing, and in the quantum computing. Uh, as I can recall, sir, the quantum computing works on the, quantum beats, sir, that's what I can recall about. Yes, no, sir, I am not sure.
You are from Amravati.
Yes, sir.
Why Vidarbha always in the news?
Sir,
Vidarbha and Marathwada.
yes, sir. But sir, as Vidarbha is a region, as it is my hometown, so I know because but most of the people know Vidarbha and Marathwada region as it is in news because of the farmer suicide mostly, and because of the agricultural distress which the Vidarbha and Marathwada region face. So this is the major reason why agricultural distress and the farmer suicides are the major reasons.
Farmer suicide.
Yes, sir.
Farmers problem in UP, Bihar,
Yes, sir.
Andhra Pradesh. But all time we hear about Marathwada.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Sir, because as we see the trend of the farmer suicide since the last 10 to 20 years, if we can say in the decade also, the highest rate of the suicide, that is the about more than 70% rate of the farmer suicide is from and is from these two regions, and that is most, and that too from most. Acha, okay, sir. This is because of agricultural distress, and the agricultural distress particularly in term of the crop failure. So crop failure is the major.
Failure is all over India. Why only Marathwada? But society is Marathwada
Yes, sir.
mostly.
Yes, sir. Basically the depth trap. I mean, we can say the thing that the depth trap, because the crop which they produce, just like sugar cane and the cotton, BT cotton, it takes a huge amount of input. So for that they have to buy a lot of loan. So and the crop failure will increase their burden, matlab, I mean, to a very large extent.
That's right in Punjab also.
Yes, sir. But
Haryana also. They using BT cotton and etc.
as I think, sir, they have other resources to support their basic needs if their crop failure goes, but they have their backup something. But in Vidarbha and in the Maharashtra region, I think all the inputs they, I mean, वो सर पूरे के, can I explain in हिंदी, सर? सो वो पूरा का पूरा रिसोर्सेस हमारे जो भी उनके रिसोर्सेज होते हैं वो पूरे के पूरे उसी कॉटन या फिर उसी एक शुगर केन पे लगा देते हैं. बट इन पंजाब आई थिंक सो दे हैव देयर आई मीन लाइफ स्टॉक फार्मिंग. So by this they can recover their I mean, some amount, but in they do not have anything to recover, sir.
अच्छा सपोज शुभम की आप कमांडेंट
Yes, sir.
कहीं जा रहे हो
Yes, sir.
उस समय एक आपका ये हो सिपाही हो जो आपसे किसी बात पर पहले कभी लड़ा दिया
Okay.
पूरी फोर्स आपकी खड़ी है आप ब्रीफिंग देने वाले उस वक्त आपको थप्पड़ मार देता है और जस्ट आपको निकलना है वहाँ से पूरी फोर्स लेकर के कहीं पे अर्जेंट है आपका एक्शन क्या होगा रिएक्शन क्या होगा उसके मतलब थप्पड़ मार आप क्या करोगे तुरंत
Sir, can I take a minute, sir? Yes, sir. सर पहले तो हम पूरी बटालियन को लेकर वहाँ से जहाँ भी मुझे जाना हो, शायद वो मेरी ज़्यादा प्रायोरिटी होगी, वहाँ से निकल जाना मेरी फर्स्टली.
जब आप वो वहाँ पे उसने थप्पड़ मारा उसके बाद आप गाड़ी में बैठेंगे फिर उसको निकलेंगे
यस सर. यस सर.
सर इंडिया और चाइना का जो चाइना को लेकर के जो भारत का है ये दो तीन इंडिया क्या चाइना के साथ किस प्रकार के रिलेशन और कैसे हैंडल करती है उसके क्या मतलब जो है इंडिया को चाइना को लेकर के
यस सर. सर इंडिया हमेशा से नॉट इवन चाइना, हर अपने लैंड बॉर्डर्स, जो भी लैंड बॉर्डरिंग कंट्रीज़ है, नेबरिंग कंट्रीज़ है, उन्हें हमेशा से एक पीसफुल रिलेशन मेंटेन करने का ही चाहता है सर, हमेशा से. बट समटाइम when such kind of aggression when happen by any of the neighboring country, like nowadays we are seeing the aggression transgression by the China. So still India is trying to use the peaceful measures by the COP commander talks and dialogues. So India is always trying to make a regional peace and prosperity in term of China also. हम चाइना के साथ हमारा सबसे ज़्यादा ट्रेड चाइना के साथ ही है हमारे कंट्री का. एट द सेम टाइम वी हैव लार्जेस्ट डिफिसिट विद द चाइना, दैट इज ऑफ अराउंड 50 बिलियन. स्टिल वी नो that we have to keep the relationship with the China in the cordial manner.
चाइना के साथ में उतना बिजनेस क्यों करते हैं, बाकी आगे के साथ ताइवान है उसके आसपास में, वहाँ क्यों नहीं करते?
Sir, because I think the market which India needs and the other thing just like इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चाइना के साथ हमारा सबसे ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का जो सबसे ज़्यादा बिजनेस एक्सपोर्ट एंड मतलब इंपोर्ट में सबसे ज़्यादा हमारा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक का बिजनेस है, तो वहाँ की इंडस्ट्री और वहाँ के प्रोडक्ट्स हमें बहुत चीपली मिल जाते हैं सर. सो
जब लेबर कॉस्ट कम है वहाँ पर?
नहीं सर, अभी तो लेबर कॉस्ट वहाँ पर बढ़ रहा है सर, तो दिस कैन बी एडवांटेज फॉर इंडिया टू टेक दैट टू फील दैट वैक्यूम बिकॉज ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग लेबर कॉस्ट इन द चाइना सर.
हम वो चीज़ क्यों डेवलप कर पाते हैं?
सर
क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ बेरोजगारी काफ़ी ज़्यादा है,
yes sir, we
हमारी भी कम हो सकती है.
yes sir, we are increasing our the R&D resources. So government has started this Skill India mission. So national electronic policy, national software development software policy. So we are going on that path, and Make in India will surely help in that thing, sir.
Do you think that Skill India is successful?
Yes sir, it is successful. It is, I mean, सक्सेसफुल है सर, अभी तो कहूँगा मैं.
कैसे?
सर जिस तरीके से अभी मतलब सर एक पॉलिसी को किसी भी इम्प्लीमेंट होने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम चाहिए होता है, एक गेस्टेशन पीरियड होता है हर पॉलिसी का सर. सो मुझे लगता है कि मैं होपफुल रहूँगा कि वो उस तरीके से वर्क करेगा सर, जो उसके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स होंगे स्किल इंडिया के.
महाराष्ट्र को इसका कितना बेनिफिट मिला है?
सर महाराष्ट्र में फिलहाल हम देखें तो टॉप महाराष्ट्र इज़ द टॉप स्टेट इन टर्म ऑफ द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द स्टार्टअप्स. सो महाराष्ट्र को सर ज़रूर बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिट मिलेगा बिकॉज द IT इंडस्ट्री इज डेवलपिंग इन द महाराष्ट्र. सो इट इज़ फ्लरिशिंग इन द महाराष्ट्र एक्चुअली सर. सो इट विल बेनिफिट डेफिनेटली सर.
What is your, tell me about unique in your district? Amravati.
Um,
Amravati.
Sir, unique I would like to say Amravati is said to, among other districts of a Vidarbha region, it is said to be a educational hub for all other rest of the district which we have. So this thing and the unique and the one more thing, as it is called to be a educational hub, but we do not have anything to grab that opportunity, just like manufacturing sector, service sector, we all have to go to Pune. But if we think about Pune, then it is also educational and cultural hub, but there itself there is an industry for service sector. So it is, I mean, this is the contrast in the Amravati, sir.
Who is your dance also? You are dancing, no?
Yes, sir. Sir,
There must be some icons
no,
or internationally.
no, sir, I do not have any icon, but yes, I admire the all the choreographies of all the dancers. So I like to see, but I do not have any icons about dance.
So, any your favorite?
Sir, I like the choreography of Remo D'Souza. So as and Terence Lewis. So I love the choreography of both of them, sir.
Whom do you consider in India the best dancer? Best choreographer, best dancer?
Sir, such best dancer, I would not say anybody as a, matlab, I mean, for a best dancer, sir.
You are the best.
No, sir, I am also not the best, but I like myself dancing. So I take, I respect and I do like everybody's has own their styles.
What form of dances Remo D'Souza perform?
So Remo D'Souza is basically of a locking popping and Bollywood kind of dancing, both, I mean, he do, sir. One of the favorite. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.